Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I created on my nails this week. I sculpted them. These are the powders that I used. I've got Snow Mountain, Nude 03, a new one which is called Ice, Turquoise Blue and Aquarius. So I'm just popping on my nail form here. So all of the acrylic powders that I'm using today are from Miss You Beauty. So I've just popped down primer by the way, and I have prepped my nails and pushed back my cuticles. So I'm just popping down the Nude 03. So this is one of the core powders. So you won't be able to get all of these acrylic powders. Well, you won't be able to get them on the Miss You Beauty website anymore, guys. They are available on the Shop Beautiful website. So I will leave you a link to Shop Beautiful in the description box below. And Ice is a new acrylic powder, and some of the others you might not be able to get because they're quite old powders. These were released a couple of years ago now, to be fair. So, and you might be able to get one of the core powders, Nude 3. So, but the reason why I've gone with these colours, guys, you will definitely be able to get Ice. That will be released soon, guys, as well, just to let you know. So the reason why I've gone for these colours is because this time 15 years ago, or yesterday, 15 years ago, was my wedding anniversary, and at this time I always dedicate a set of nails and a YouTube tutorial to my anniversary nails because when I got married, my nails were a really big thing for me. I put a lot of effort into them because I was, a nail technician back then. So, and have been for 20 years now. So, yeah, obviously my nails back then were not as advanced as what they are now. They were not sculpted. I used tips and I used white tips, which is very bizarre. So, it was different, and I did a 3D butterfly, which I don't do in this design, but I wanted to use these fabulous colours that I have. So I've got the turquoise blue is the brighter blue, and this is Aquarius. Aquarius I've mixed here with Ice, so you can just see Ice in there just a little bit. I do swatch the new acrylic powders that I've received from Miss You Beauty. I have swatched them, but I haven't put it on YouTube yet, so that might be next week's video for you all. So check out the swatching video. So yeah, so that nail, the forefinger nail, was more like a marble design. My design on my thumb is I'm doing like a long elongated nail bed, and I've just filed Nude 3. It's cured properly, it's hardened off. So I just filed around the edges to make sure they're nice and crisp, and I'm going in with Snow Mountain just at the one side, and then I pop Ice down at the other side as well. I really love this new Ice colour. It's so sparkly. Here you can see it there. Just very, very beautiful. I really like it a lot. So I went with really long nails this time as well. I'm on the lookout for some new tips so that I can give my sculpting technique a break. So if you know anywhere that sells some really, really long tips, then let me know, guys. So Aquarius is a beautiful sparkly blue, absolutely stunning colour. So I've just popped that down here. This is my middle finger now that I'm working on. Pop that down on at the end, and then I go in with Snow Mountain in the middle. Just patting that down there. If you can hear a noise in the background, guys, it's my dog snoring. He's sat next to me. A little chihuahua snore is what you can hear. So I do apologise for that, guys. A little bit of background noise for you all to enjoy. So I've got Snow Mountain here going down in the middle of the nail, just fading that down the nail there. Obviously, when I did my nails for my wedding, I didn't have these colours. So I did like a little bit of airbrush, which was the thing back then. It was a very unusual technique, but wasn't a proper airbrush. It was actually a hair colour spray can, if you've ever seen them before. So it's very unusual. I'll have to get a picture, dig out a picture one of these days of my wedding nails. Anyway, Aquarius blue going on here on my ring finger. On my little finger, I popped down when I got married, when I did my wedding nails. I did a 3D butterfly on my little finger because the my ring wouldn't fit over the butterfly, so I had to make sure that it went on my little finger rather than my ring finger where it was initially intended for. So that was a little bit, a little bit of a mishap, but never mind. It worked out in the end. So as you can see on my ring finger, I'm just popping down Aquarius here, and I'm going with ice, at the bottom of the nail or at the tip of the nail, and I'm just dragging that up the nail. So I've got, Aquarius at the cuticle. Well, it will be going at the cuticle. And going all the way down, and then I've got ice at the bottom of my nail going all the way up. So I really love this colour. The reason, obviously, again, why I went with blue on my wedding day is you can just about see my ring there. It just totally matched my engagement ring, and I was all about the blue on the wedding day. So on my little finger, I'm going in with Snow Mountain. So this white has got like a little bit of an iridescence to it. Really, really pretty. It's just a little bit off-white maybe. Really, really cute colour. Really much better in the flesh. Unfortunately, I don't think my camera does it justice. But anyway, so I just do Snow Mountain here. And then at the top of the cuticle area, I go in with ice and just drag that down in my true ombre style. What I don't show you as well, guys, is that then I go in and encapsulate those nails. I thought I won't have a lot of time with this video, so I just thought I'll just get them encapsulated. I won't film it, so I do apologise. If you wanted to see that, I will do it in another video. So I'm just filing off now any lumps, bumps and extra bits with my e-file, and just go around the cuticle area to make sure that my nail is really lovely and smooth. I do this with my e-file, but then I also do it with a hand file as well, and then I go in and I buff the nail as well, ready for my top coat application. And I just like to make sure it's lovely and smooth. And so then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, and this really is the best part of the video because you can just see the shine of those acrylics coming through. This is really the best part of any nail application, I think. The end product. So shiny, so sparkly. Look at this. You can just see how beautiful those colours are. And admittedly, my nails were not this good when I got married, but, they were still fabulous, and I loved them. So be sure to cap those edges to make sure that the top coat doesn't come off, doesn't chip away or anything like that. Then once I've applied my top coat to these nails, I cure them in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I go in with my cuticle oil, and then my nails are complete. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give me a massive thumbs up. I really do appreciate all of your support and all of your love and all your comments. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and TikTok. and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.